Hi guys! So in the bulgogi marinade, there's 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, which is rice wine, 1 Asian pear, half an onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and some ground black pepper, about 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Alright, so we're going to pour the marinade into the beef here. I'm going to get my hand dirty.
The ribeye.
So I'm going to mix my hand in here and make sure everything is nice and covered. Yeah. Alright.
And this marinade, like Randy said before, will totally tenderize the meat.
Alright, here we go.
And then we're going to cover it with some foil, cling wrap, whatever you have, and we're going to put it in the fridge for 4 hours. It actually tastes better if you leave it in the fridge overnight, but
we're not going to do that.
Yeah, we're cooking it.
We're hungry. Alright guys, we're back and we are going to make bulgogi. Yeah. And we've been marinating this for about 4 hours now, so it's at.
It looks, this is exactly how it's supposed to look.
I'll show them here.
You can lift it up, great.
Here it is, okay. So it's marinated for about 4 hours. I got my toasted sesame seeds here. I got the onions, my carrot, my green onions, and I got my oil. And I'm gonna have Debbie start it off here. I got my little burner here, and we're gonna get this popping.
Nice.
There we go.
Okay. So step 1, guys, we're gonna put some oil in the pan. Okay. So how bulgogi's made? Or bulgogi. How do you say it?
Bulgogi.
Good job. You add in the meat, saute it with your vegetables for like about 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it. And then you top it with some sesame seeds. So you could add in a little vegetables.
Yeah, just let it saute a little.
A little bit, yeah. This is very like thin cut ribeye. See, I got it this time. Thin cut ribeye, so cook fairly quickly. See that, guys? It's cooking fast.
Bulgogi is one of the special dishes in Korea. It's big in their Korean barbecue dishes with also thin sliced pork, thin sliced chicken. Korean barbecue is one of their ways that they eat over there, and it's pretty much healthy because it's more grilling of meat instead of frying and all that stuff. So with the white rice and the vegetables, they have a lot of legumes on their sides. So the way they eat is pretty much on point.
That is true.
All right, guys. It's looking good. It's smelling good. Putting all the meat in. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the carrots, because carrots take a little longer to cook than onions and green onions. So I'm going to put the carrots in here. Debbie's going to take this away.
Yep.
I'm going to stir it in here while it's sauteing. It's going to come out pretty well. Guarantee it. It actually looks nice, the colors.
Yeah, the color looks great. So, some people don't put carrots. So carrots are optional, but
I like the carrots.
I love carrots.
Yeah, I like the carrots. It gives it
extra veggies.
Yeah, it gives it a nice little taste there. All right. So next I'm gonna add is the green onions. Green onions give it some taste. I want the.
So you don't need all of it.
Yeah.
That seems around there.
Yeah, that does work. Honestly, when I eat bulgogi, the onions are not usually that soft. It looks like they add it like very last minute.
They're not that soft. So there's always like a texture.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do the same thing. All right.
Wow, it's looking pretty amazing.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna switch over to the tongs because it'll be easier to flip and toss stuff over. Yeah, it's almost done. I would say another 5 to 10 minutes here, and we're good to go. See, tongs make shredded steak cook easier. Look at that. Done here. Now the juices are starting to flow a little bit. We're gonna let it cook some more until it kind of, I don't know, get a little sticky, I would say.
Yeah, because we did add some brown sugar.
Yeah.
So we'll know when it's to the point that we like. How does it taste?
Bulgogi. I'm a tasting chef.
Yeah, you gotta taste you have to taste while you cook. So you know if it's missing salt, sugar, whatever, pepper, heat.
All right, it's going. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start adding the onions. I'm gonna add the onions now, and Debbie's gonna grab it for me while I'm mixing it well.
You can add all of them.
Yeah, you can. All right, we added the onion. It's looking really good. Really good. I'm like drooling a little bit here.
I am drooling as well.
All right, I'm gonna spin it so everything could get in there. All right, look at that, the colors. Hey, SBS, any TV cooking show in Korea, let me tell you, colored folks can make Korean food too.
Colored folks.
Tell you that.
Damn, it's beautiful.
Oh yeah, guys, it is our first time making all these Korean dishes.
Oh yeah, very first time.
So if you guys want to see some more Korean dishes or any other dishes, please subscribe, click the notification, put us on your top 5, I don't know, all that. We are finished with the bulgogi, and we're gonna show you how we plated it here. Boom, look at that. We got the white rice with our bulgogi and our homemade kimchi. So our kimchi, our bulgogi, and our white rice. Yeah, traditional Korean dish.
Now guys, we're about to try the bulgogi.
All right.
Oh my god!
100% bulgogi.
100% bulgogi.
I mastered it, y'all.
Yeah, we definitely did. Oh my gosh!
You know?
We could actually cook.
I just put work in that kitchen.
Yeah.
But this is very good. I'm very, very proud of myself and my sister.
Yeah, I'm so proud of us that we.
And I think Misun would be very proud. See? Come see me, bro. You can't make
this actually tastes just like.
You can't make bulgogi like me, bro.
Yeah, like
come see me.
Bulgogi from Korea.
Come to the States or I'm gonna have to go to your hood. Alright? Peace out.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell above, and give this video a thumbs up.